Hi guys, Matt here from Car City. Today I got a 2006 Holden Commodore VZ Executive Wagon. Let's just do a quick walk around. Here's in very good condition. Nice set of aftermarket wheels. Tow bar fitted. Alright guys, let's have a look at the inside. As we go on the inside, nice and clean. Automatic transmission, in-dash CD player, and only 137,000 Ks. Let's check the back. As we go on the back, clean also. As we go on the back, still very clean. Couple of marks, but nothing bad. As we go on the bonnet, nice and clean. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this walk around. For more, please stay tuned.